Hello everyone and welcome back. So this week we are working on an autumnal design. I have some sketches already done, and what we're going to do is we're going to refine them on my iPad through Procreate and get them so they are, my phone has put like a little ring around my face and it's really distracting. Oh, now it's gone. Yay! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to refine the design on Procreate so that I can print it out and then it is perfect and ready to go. So this is an Autumnal Digital Design that you guys will be able to find in my Stan store. The other designs that are in the Stan store are multiple designs, multiple images that you can make into multiple designs. So this one will be a one-off single design and it will be a limited edition. I'm only going to be having seasonal ones up for so long. So if you like it and you want it, grab it. I'm sure it's going to turn out really well because, guys, look at this mushroom. How cute is that? So, enough yapping, and how about we get on with getting the final design done? So here we have, look at that cute design. Look at that pumpkin. Now, I love it. I love pumpkins. So we've got this. It sits kind of on the left side of the brim, kind of curls around a bit. But with the digital design, I'll do them both sides. So when you go to transfer on, you can have it on either side, save you having to mess about and flip the image and stuff yourself. So I'll put 2 in there. But yeah, I would really like to burn it though, but I'm not sure if I have the time. But look at that. It's so cute and magical. Look at those mushrooms. I love them. I did do it smaller first and then decided no, it needs to be bigger. People like bigger designs. You can put it anywhere, I suppose. But yeah, super cute. So the idea of this is so that you guys, it's a lovely affordable design for autumn, and you guys will be able to basically place it wherever you want. If you wanted to just take the mushroom and the pumpkins, you could do that also, but it will be in the shop. It will already be in the shop, and it is limited edition. With, like I said before, these seasonal ones, I'm only going to do them limited edition and then take them down. So hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Cool or not cool? I think it's probably going to be cool, but that's me. I drew it, so I love it. Okay, there is a new thing on YouTube as well, by the way, called a hype button. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. So if you've got the hype button and you really like this video or you like the channel, please click the hype button, because that's a new thing for us small channels. The more hypes you get, the more likely you are to be able to get onto a different bit of YouTube to be able to be seen. I mean, I think that's what likes used to do and subscribes, but everything changes with the time. So, yes, let's get on to the next bit. Okay, so I decided I am going to burn the design. It's so hot up here. I'm upstairs and James is downstairs and we both work from home. And our house is 150 years old. It's very old. And when you put the heating on, it heats up really nice and quick, but the heating disappears really quickly. But upstairs gets so hot because it's upstairs, and downstairs will be freezing. So I've opened the window. So I'm gonna burn this design. I think I'm gonna do a light brown hat, not a green one. So I wanted to say as well that this doesn't just come with the 2 so you can flip them for either side of the hat. It actually comes with a workbook, a whole workbook that talks you through how to do it step by step, as well as all the supplies and tools, as well as a video on how to do it. So I'm not gonna discuss everything that we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna burn it so I can show you guys what this image looks like when it's burned. It's too hot in here and now I have to use a burning tool. My face is so red now. With the heat of the house and the heat of the pen, it is absolutely cooking up here. So, ta-da! How cute is that? It is very cute and very autumnal, and I think I love it. So I did it for you guys so you could see exactly what it's going to look like when it's burnt onto a hat. But you can also see mock-ups of these on the store, on the Stan store, of all the designs, and there's, even with the ones that are like a pack of designs, a pack of images for multiple designs, I've even shown some sort of mock-ups so you can see what they would look like if you were to put them on a hat. So I hope you guys go and have a look, and if you want to grab this, you absolutely should. Remember, you get a workbook with it. It gives you the steps and all the supplies needed to create one of these. So I'm gonna go get myself some water because I'm absolutely cooking. So thank you for coming and hanging out. Make sure you hit that hype button, and I'll see you guys next week.